How to download and install 8-ball pool on your Android or iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are on Android or iOS and looking to download the 8-ball pool game, then first of all, unlock your Android or iOS device and go open up Google Play Store or App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are sure of it, go to the left-hand side corner or at the bottom and tap Search. In the search bar, type in 8-ball pool and search. Look for the 8-ball pool game from miniclip.com. Now, tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your device. On your iOS, you'll see a Get icon. Just tap on it and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID's password, and you'll be able to start the download process. Look for the game developed by Miniclip.com for the official version of the game. Now all you need is to wait for the installation. As long as you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, you'll be able to download the game in no time and start playing. So that's it. That's how you successfully download and install 8-ball pool on your Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.